i35equipment.com. This is the JCB 3CX full-size backhoe loader. This machine has the extendable dipper or extended hoe on the back, four-wheel drive, cold AC, hot heat. It does have those pilot joysticks or pilot joystick controls for the backhoe loader or backhoe. Welcome you to come look at her for yourself. Bring your mechanic and operator to come to you, or hire some local ones to check it out if you like. We are open by appointment only though. Just give us a call, that way we can get you on the calendar and make sure we have the gate unlocked for you. Happy to have you out. In fact, on quote, we do send equipment all over the country, so getting this machine shipped to you shouldn't be a problem. It is a legal load. Just fill out the form on the website, call, text, or email with your full delivery address. We'll share that address to several local haulers and nationwide broker. Get back at the best rate that comes back to us. We do welcome you to arrange your own hauling or come pick it up for yourself if you're so equipped. Good loading height for loading some trucks. Our specialty here is consignment sales, so if you or someone you know has idle heavy equipment, fill out the form on the website, call, text, or email for more information about our consignment service. We do have folks all over the country looking for good, ready-to-work equipment, and we help you get your machinery sold. Hydraulic outriggers. Full extension there. Not only does the extendable dipper make it where you can dig deeper, it's also really convenient to have, so you don't always have to move the machine to reach further or get to a different spot. Have the working horn as well as a working reversal arm. Good mirrors, good glass. Tires on the front have an excellent tread on them. We'll let him run around just a bit and get it parked, and we'll check out the motor and everything else and end up in the operator station and check out the cab. Let's have the bolt-on cutting edge up here. Yeah, these tires are almost new. They still have the little frills on them. Really dry, really clean machine. That is the factory JCB bucket. It has 4 teeth and cutting wings on it. If you are interested in another bucket, I'm pretty sure we have some used buckets available for this machine at this time. You can see our full inventory of buckets online. I don't know if I said earlier, it is a 4-wheel drive machine. These are 21L-24 rear tires. Front tires are 12.5/8-18. Let's see if we can pop the hood without having to. Yep, we're good. Kind of a tight fit here. I'm going to throw out that fish island to give you a good view. ahead and come around to the other side. I'll drop it over there. It does have a brand new battery in it. This is your pull cable for pulling it back down. If the hood does latch, this is what you use to unlatch it. That's your unlatch cable. And if you need to access your battery or the kill switch, you just take your JCB key to unlock and open that grill. Diesel's on the other side, that's your hydraulic fluid. Go zoom on out to the fisheye lens. Alright, tilt steering. We'll just leave that up because we're going to flip around and spin over to the backhoe controls here in a moment. These are your lights. Four-wheel drive control, brakes and accelerator pedal. This is how, remember correctly, this is how you're going to actually flip your, let's see, I think that's how you flip your controls. We'll check that together when we get it turned around here to verify. Parking brake, loader control, gauges all look good. HVAC, turn over here to cooler. So I turn the AC on and off. Currently sitting at 1178 hours. Turn these work lights off. Go ahead and flip. To spin it, you've got to, there's a little kick here. You just kick this over to the right, and then it releases it. You just spin around. It does have switchable backhoe control patterns. And that's what this little switch right here. Just kick it over to the hood if you prefer backhoe controls. Right back if you prefer excavator controls. Real convenient, doesn't get much easier than that. Throttle for while you're running the backhoe. These are your outriggers. Go ahead and drop them down. And we'll check on these switchable controls real quick. Well, I guess the switchable controls are all ran, like we said, just right there. So this switch right here is what turns your joysticks on and off, because you don't want to have them on if you're not ready for them and accidentally bump them with your leg, or if you're driving something else. So this is off, this is on and ready to operate, or on and off, sorry. On, off. So just to show you real quick. And there's a safety switch down here. So you pull up on that, and then it allows, or trigger switch, you pull that in, then you're ready to operate. So it's a double lockout. A lot of the newer machines have it. So your first lockout's this is off, this is on, and then your little button down here allows you to operate as well. And you can see the different control patterns. I say E and ISO. It has a legend on both sides for that. Hope the video is beneficial to you. If you have any questions, give us a shout. Like I said, you can see all the photos and specs on the website, www.i35equipment.com. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day.